Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a tool that's a game changer for your lawn care routine. We're talking about the BUCOTOD 2IN 116-inch Dethatcher and Scarifier. If you're serious about maintaining a healthy lawn, this could be the tool for you. Let's jump right in. The BUCOTOD 2IN1 combines the functionalities of a Dethatcher and Scarifier into one powerful tool. It features a robust 15-amp motor, which delivers impressive performance with a no-load speed of up to 3,500 RPM. This means it can effectively remove thatch and aerate the soil, promoting healthier grass growth. First off, let's talk about versatility. This tool allows you to switch between dethatching and scarifying with ease, thanks to its interchangeable blades. Whether you need to clear out debris or prepare your lawn for seeding, this tool has you covered. Powered by a 15-amp copper motor, the BUCOTOD ensures you get the job done efficiently. It offers a 16-inch wide rake path, which means you can cover more ground in less time. Perfect for medium to large-sized lawns. One of the standout features is the 5-position depth adjustment lever. This allows you to customize the depth of dethatching from -0.47 inches to 0.4 inches, accommodating different lawn conditions throughout the year. The BUCOTOD is designed with user convenience in mind. It comes with a large 55-liter collection bag, minimizing the need for frequent emptying. The ergonomic handle is adjustable to suit users of different heights, ensuring comfort during operation. Safety is paramount with the BUCOTOD. It includes dual safety switches to prevent accidental starts, making it safe and easy to operate. To wrap it up, the BUCOTOD 2IN 116-inch Dethatcher and Scarifier is a standout choice if you're looking to elevate your lawn care game. With its powerful motor, adjustable depth settings, and ergonomic design, it's designed to make lawn maintenance easier and more effective. Whether you're tackling thatch buildup or aerating the soil, this tool delivers. If you're serious about a healthy lawn, definitely consider adding this to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more product reviews and tips on maintaining a beautiful home. See you next time on Product Critique.